Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. This is Josh Simonson. Here again to tell you about another boat show boat. This is the 2019 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Nice beautiful seats in the back. And as we get in here, you can see the LED blue lighting is on. Sea Ray has partnered with Fusion stereos, so all the Sea Rays have new Fusions in them. Got a nice sink. Plenty of room in the 290 SDX. All new Simrad touch screens. Nice big bows. These are great boats if you'd like to entertain. So come on down to the Minneapolis Boat Show in January. Take a look at this Sea Ray and many others that we'll have there.